Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put internet speeds on the status bar. See here, you can see, right, there is internet speed showing up for these three mobiles, and these three mobiles are of different type. This is Nothing mobile, and this is Motorola mobile, and this is Realme mobile. And for Realme mobile also, there is network speed or the internet speed showing up. So first I'll tell you with the Nothing phone. Click on your Android phone settings, just search a speed here. Few mobiles it is directly speeds, for few mobiles it is internet speed. Okay, see here, internet speed, sorry, I'll be taking it closely. Internet speed display status bar. So by default this will be disabled. When you disable this, there won't be any network speed showing up. When you enable this, immediately there will be uh, this network. See here, whether it is clear or not. Yeah, here it is showing up. Okay, I'll keep this aside. Now we'll go for this Motorola. You can just search as internet speed here. Internet speed, or just search as internet for the moment, or directly you can navigate to network and internet, and see here, this is the option internet speed. By default this will be disabled. You need to just enable this. As soon as you enable, you'll get to see there is network or internet speed showing up. Now coming to the Realme. Click on your Android phone settings on the Realme. Okay, here just search as real time here, real time. See here, real time network speed. See here, for different mobiles the options are slightly different. Okay, uh, I again will search something like real. Where is this? See here, under notifications and quick settings. See here, under notifications and quick settings there is real time network speed. Tap on this, and by default this will be disabled. When you enable this, immediately you get that internet speed showing up. So in this way I have shown you three different mobiles, right? One is Nothing mobile, one is Moto mobile, one is Realme mobile. So if you want to recognize my effort, just hit a like for this video. That would be a great help for me. I hope and wish that you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.